I don't know if you guys can hear me right now. This is it. This is working. Yeah. Okay. So I went to Code Red Airsoft, and honestly, it has to be one of the most fun, like exciting times I've ever had playing Airsoft. And this is the second time I played Airsoft, and honestly, uh, can't lie, I'm kind of stupid. I did some stupid stuff in this video, but hey, it was all worth it. I got content. So shout outs on my boy. About to link his stuff in the description. And yeah, have fun watching this. I hope this makes you want to play Airsoft. Let's get it.
Alright, so for your final call, let's go ahead and get lined up with those blue calls.
I should have probably tested that. Using my tongue. Oh yeah, hold on. Don't look at the base, you don't know what it is. Look at him, mad. So what are you gonna wind up? Can I get a wind up? Hey, Terminal. Yeah! Right there, Terminal. How is that? Oh, shit! Okay, we're going out! Let's go, dude! Like 3, 2, 1. You let me know. Oh, push up. Oh my god, bro. We're recording again. It's out of the camera. Hey! Not like that. Hi, Mom. No, your mom is not watching this. My bad. My parents want the best for me. They want me to go to college, so I just try to do the best for them.
Yeah, but so Darwin High School is like, it sucks at
Fuck! Check this shit out! Oh, he's all the way down there? There's no fucking way. I see flags. Fuck you up. He's got a left hand peek. Holy fuck! You need help? Sure. What? Do it, Spot. Pussy. Oh my god, Cody! Like I said, tax sprint, bro. Tax sprint! Tax sprint! Tax sprint! You're using your gun wrong, like this. You can nade? Okay, bet. I don't think it worked here. Hold on. Oh, TK. Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh, no, wait. Oh, yeah! Let's go!
YouTube, follow me on Instagram at DAMURDAC.
I'll put it up on the screen.
Thank you.
Yeah, we both got cameras on, dude. That's tight. I got a little longer.
Oh, I got a little.
Yeah, that's good. Can you push up? I have it covered. Yeah, man. Just get behind the bucket. Bro, pay attention to these fucking guys coming in. Bro. I got you, dude. Oh, it's out of gas!
Yo, thank y'all for watching this video. I haven't seen that many recent Airsoft YouTube videos, so I might keep making content like this. Yeah, I had a really fun time here. Code Red Airsoft is definitely the way to go if you're in Cali. Appreciate y'all a lot. Everybody that came out that day was awesome. Had a great time. Had so much fun. Thank you for watching.